What I say, so come on, do it. I said, why you? But so come on, do it. I said, we mom. I see we mom. What up? So no matter what. If you need your coffee, please grab your coffee now. Now the films. Now this gonna be the latest. Whatever can I go for them, and then I can feel so that. So now they want that. 1,000. If you need that, maybe your friend will not. Call my number, I did it. Just 0906532946. What's it? What's up, Papa? What that's a man and free. Mr. Opinion, Asa. I'm not a big girl. When I go on, I'm so producer and I I was wrong back on. I don't even budget. I produce the film with so good. I just want to go and I when you go to. I